This video will show you how to do the VLOOKUP section for your gradebook project. I've done a quick view here of a grading rubric with the letter grade for the average. And when you're doing a VLOOKUP for this exercise, you'll always need to go from lowest to highest. So what we want to do is redo this little grading rubric and do the lowest grade first. So we'll start with 0, then 70, then 80, then 90. And then we'll put the corresponding letter grade on the right. So that 0 would be an F. Let's do a caps lock here. F, then C, then B, then an A. So we've got these in reverse order now, from lowest to highest. And now let's work on the VLOOKUP. Let's say that our grade, final grade, was a 74. So in this cell, or in any cell, but for this exercise I'll do this cell, this is where I'll do my VLOOKUP function. So start off with your equals sign, then VL, that brings up VLOOKUP. I can double click that. And here's the VLOOKUP function, and my arguments are in parentheses here. The first argument that I need to put in parentheses is my lookup value. That means to select the cell that I'm referencing. In this case, I want it to look up my grade. That is cell E8. So I click that. There's my first argument. So, comma, to separate the arguments. Now my table array. That's the table that I want it to look up my score in and return the value in the column beside it. So this is my table array. This is my second argument. Another comma. The third argument is the column index number. That means the number of the column where it's pulling the letter grade from, what I want it to return. So in this case, it's the second column. I can put in just a 2 to reference that second column, close my parentheses, and enter, and there's my grade. It returned a C. And you can see that that is accurate depending on what score I get. For this, a 70 would be a 74 would be a C. If I change this grade to an 82, you can see that immediately returns a B. If I change it to a 96, again, it returns an A. So that's how you do the VLOOKUP.